It is a risk-off session today, with safe haven assets catching a bid across the board. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today we are doing a complete deep dive into silver. Silver plunged to $57.48 per troy ounce, a move of minus 7.31% on the session. Intraday, prices ranged between $55.75 and $62.44. Let us break down exactly what is driving this move. The gold move is partly driven by why has gold declined despite escalating geopolitical tensions, caveat Ari. Now let us look at the broader macro picture. On the geopolitical front, this comes as stock market today, S&P 500, NASDAQ close lower for third straight day, oil prices dropped to lowest level since start of war, Investopedia, adding pressure to energy markets. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500, NASDAQ rise as oil drops and Micron earnings loom, QZ.com. This comes as stock market today, S&P 500, NASDAQ close lower for third straight day, oil prices dropped to lowest level since start of war, Investopedia, adding pressure to energy markets. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Meanwhile, Brent crude made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 5.06% to $73.18. This comes as markets recoil in global sell-off driven by tech stocks, the New York Times, adding pressure to energy markets. Meanwhile, WTI crude made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 4.56% to $69.87. This comes as markets recoil in global sell-off driven by tech stocks, the New York Times, adding pressure to energy markets. Meanwhile, natural gas made a dramatic move today, surged plus 3.72% to $3.26. This comes as stock market today, S&P 500, NASDAQ close lower for third straight day, oil prices dropped to lowest level since start of war, Investopedia, adding pressure to energy markets. Coming back to silver. Bears are firmly in control of the near-term narrative. Watch for key support levels. A break below could accelerate the decline. Risk management is critical in this environment. Here is our near-term analytical view on silver. With the selling pressure we have seen today, the key support level for silver is around $54.04. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline and attract further sellers. For a recovery, bulls need to see a fundamental shift in the drivers weighing on prices. This is our view. Always do your own research. In terms of what to watch next, keep an eye on Federal Reserve commentary and real yield movements. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We cover every major global market, every single day. If this kind of daily, actionable analysis is useful to you, please support us with a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it means a great deal to this channel. Share this with anyone who invests or trades, they will thank you for it. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is our deep dive on silver. Subscribe to MTRS_Market Pulse for daily commodity coverage.